Bringing a Miszek to life is a mysterious process. But let's try to explain it. It is based on wool felting, dry and wet. Wet felting is one of the oldest wool processing techniques. It can be traced back to the Neolithic period and uses the natural property of wool for joining tiny fibers. The creature is first formed dry using felting needles. When it starts to take shape, it is set with boiling water and gray soap. Continually refining the shape. Then it's time to shock the wool. It is submersed in icy cold water and then in hot water, thereby shrinking the wool fibers. The creature gets more compact as it nears completion and becomes more durable as a result. Somewhere along the process, the nature of the creature begins to show. Is it mischievous, melancholic, or maybe wild? It only shows up in the end when it's been given its final shape. It's time to change the needles, shave the fluff, put the ears up, and trim the tail. And finally the moment comes when the creature can be let out into the world.